What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Genius Messenger CRM Chrome extension. So click the button below. If you haven't signed up for Genius Messenger CRM or the bundle plan yet, go ahead and click the button below. You can sign up and get a 7-day free trial, and then you can log in. If you just want to see how these tools work, go ahead and watch these videos and see if this is something you might want to use in the future. So with that being said, once you've opened the button below, you should get taken to this screen. You want to make sure you're on Genius Messenger CRM. It should have around 3,000 plus users, and there's going to be an Add to Chrome button here. I've already installed it, and I don't want to uninstall it, so I'm not going to remove it. I do that in the Genius Connector video if you want to see me actually adding it to Chrome, but I walk you through how to do that in the Genius Connector video. So up here is the G. Once you open it, you'll get taken to this login screen. All you have to do is check your email, enter your username from the email that I send you, and your password here. Once that's done, you can just hit log in, and you'll be in the extension. In the next video, I'll start walking you through each little feature inside Genius Messenger CRM and show you how to use it to automate your entire sales process on Facebook. So hope you're excited. That being said, let's jump to the next video.